Good evening in the Philippines. Today is Thursday, February 13th. And before I start, let me adjust my position here. Hold on. That's what it looks like. Okay, 1, 2, hold on. Oops. Why is that unable to change? Which is weird. Hold on. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. Okay, so let me see if I can find my disclaimer. So my disclaimer is, since I can't find it now, since I'm sharing the screen here, let me try to find it here. Hold on a minute. As you can see the trade happening here. Okay, so any comment, statement, or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, to merely illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. And once again, I must emphasize, though, I'm neither a licensed trading advisor, nor am I a professional trading advisor. I'm merely a retail trader. And once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only. So with that said, in terms of economic news, it was already finished. The major one is what we were looking at before. I believe it was a CPI, right? I think, let me look at this. I can't bring it over since I'm sharing this screen. It's a CPI, core CPI. It's already been released. We're looking at this effect right now. So here we go with this trade. That was my third trade I have. I think I am up around, I'll check later. There's that push. I was looking at that. I'll show you the naked chart there that I'll be looking at. Anyways, here before we get another move here, this is what I'm looking at. I was coaching a student earlier this afternoon during the overnight session, and we were around this area right here. And it stated that price would probably hit down here, the red, and it did. So now we're doing a correction. Our overall trend, as you can see here, is down, right? We're doing a correction here. So most likely, I can get rid of this. That's why I like how to do my naked chart here. I can get rid of this. Since that's already done, this basically is going to do a retrace, right? The retrace is probably going to be over, I'm trying to find it here. Okay. So basically it went past the retrace. So now we're going up. So this doesn't really pay an effect anymore, since we're doing a reversal. So we see this reversal here. So we got to draw another one, which basically is this one right here. So we go take this, which is right here. Take this out. There you go. So now I'm expecting this price to hit here, come back down a bit, then come back up to here into the zone. So anyways, we're looking at a correction here. So we'll see what happens. That's my bias right now to maybe up here. Let's see if I can get an entry on the upside. Right now I am up net 939, as you can see here. 3 trades I lost there. Now came back. I'm up 939 net. Commission is correct now. So let's see what happens here. In fact, I see a good move there. We'll see what happens here. And I'll put it maybe around right. Good price would be 65.50.
Order pending.
Put it right there. I really don't like this one has a double top here because most likely what it's going to do is going to try to come back down. But I think it's going to go up first. Okay. So that said, again, this is all based on DTA's Congressive System and price action. So I'll put this in mute. Hopefully we get our daily profit goal, which is around $15. Again, I'm trading a single contract of the micro E-minis. Goal is $15 a day. Gross, that would be gross, right? So you see this. This is what I like doing this. 50.
Order filled.
Okay. Yep, here is the zone, so I'll put that as 2 points right there. So I'll leave that as it is right now, and I'll put this mute, and I'll talk to you guys later. So technically I am done for the day. Those two trades which occurred at the opening, one I took a trade in the pre-market. Basically there it is. I am now 1877. My goal was basically 15. I might just end it for the day, but let's see if there's any good setup here. Let me put this back on hold. basically with that, I am done for the day. I improved on my profitability by maybe $1. So there it is with that one trade. My net profit is $19.41. I took how many trades here? I took 7 trades. There's my commission, which is correct. So my net is $19.41. My goal is 15. So I'm not going to risk anymore. Market is kind of erratic. This is going down, possibly to this level here, but it hit this level that I thought I was going to go past it, but I guess not. So with that, I will put this on. I'll end this, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. This could be a good possibility of a good setup right here on the down, right here. Let me see where that could be. It's already well before that, so we'll see right here. That's another point right there, but kind of tricky here. And see, because right here's that point. That's where you don't even messing with that. So I'm gonna end for the day. Have a great evening. God bless. Talk to you guys tomorrow.